The next tool that I'm gonna install is Maven. This is a tool which helps with creational process of Java application. So basically, before I will install it, I'll check if it's not exist in my current system. So Windows R CMD Maven version. Okay, the Maven is not recognized, so I'm going back to the Google, type Maven, maven.apache.org, then I will go to download. Then I have to pick Windows version. It has to be zip version, so I'm just gonna click it, download it. So I've downloaded the zip file. Now I'm gonna unpack it. Extract all, and I will extract it into the program files. Okay. So yes, the location of that tool, I'll choose it. I'll pick a program files. So select folder and extract. Continue. Okay, so as you can see, it's my program files. This is Apache Maven 3.8.4, and here is his location. The next thing, I have to add some environment variables to the system. So I'm gonna just type env, edit the system environment variables, and you're gonna add Maven variables here. So as I said, I have to add 2 variables to my system. So I'm gonna click new. The first one is gonna be m2 home, and the location is gonna be program files. So this PC C program files, and here is my Apache Maven 3.8.4. I'm gonna just click it, click OK, and click OK. So this is our first variable. The next one will be Maven home, and we also have to pick that location. So this PC C program files Apache Maven. Okay, so just check again, Maven home, m2 home. Okay, everything looks good. Okay, okay. The next thing which we have to do is to add to the path of the system variable location of the bin file of our Maven. So we're gonna click path, edit, new. So as I said, new, browse, and the same location, which is program files, Apache, but this time we have to click bin folder. Okay, okay. So to confirm that the Maven has been added to the system, we have to click Windows R, CMD, and type mvn --version. Yep, Apache Maven 3.8.4 exists in the system. Does exist in the system.